In this video, I'll show you two Google Sheets functions you might not know about. Let's use this example. Imagine you have a separate report for each month of the year. Sometimes you need to know the position of a sheet within your spreadsheet. Let's use the new sheet function for this. This function returns the position of the current sheet based on its order from left to right. As you can see, this sheet is currently number 1. If I move it to a different position, the value updates automatically. This can be useful for monthly reports, financial trackers, or any spreadsheet with multiple tabs where the order matters. The second function is Sheets. It counts how many tabs you have in your spreadsheet. If I add a new one, the result updates automatically. Now I'll remove that tab. Let's say I want to make sure all 12 monthly reports are still there. I'll subtract 1 because this tab shouldn't be included in the count. Now, if someone accidentally deletes November, the total changes immediately, and I can see that one of the monthly reports is missing. These aren't the most exciting functions, but they can be really useful when you're working with larger spreadsheets. Thanks for watching.